Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Evangeline Dicuelcaco. I was born on December 6, 1995. I'm 29 years old. I'm married, blessed with 2 children, 6 years old and 2 years old. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I have served 1 couple and 3 children, ages 5 years old, 3 years old, and newborn. My daily routine activities is prepare their foods, cleaning the house, washing their clothes, and taking care of the children. This is my first time to work abroad. I can overcome homesickness by keeping myself busy to my work. If the mother of my employer cannot speak English, I will use sign language. The most important thing to caring a children is prepare their foods on time, check the clothes if it's wet, and keep them safe. The most important thing to caring a baby is regularly check the diaper if it's wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time. My message to my future employer: I need this job, sir, ma'am. I want to work with you. I will respect and obey you. I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you very much, sir, ma'am.